Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 7i to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Then on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, select OK. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of Google and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down just a bit and set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Google Pixel device. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top and select multiple files that you wish to transfer or only the chosen one. In my case, this one photo. Wherever you do, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom of Google Pixel 7i. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to connect using this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!